Assalamu alaikum. Today we will finish answering the final revision worksheet. Open page 13, write the date, April 19, 2020. Question 9. Write the contraction for the underlined words. This question is asking us to make a contraction. And as you remember, contraction means to put two words together to be one word. Using what? Using an apostrophe. So, we delete some letters from the second word, change what we have deleted with an apostrophe. Okay? Number 1, he will. We have he and we have will. And we want to make them one word. We will not touch the first word. This word says, stop away, don't touch me. So we will go to the second one, cross from will, the W-I, and add apostrophe. It will be hell. Yes, don't forget. After crossing, add apostrophe, squeeze, or put the two words together to be only one word. Mustn't. Must plus not. If we have not, we will cross the O, add apostrophe, squeeze them together to be mustn't. Are not. We have not, cross the O, add apostrophe, put them together, aren't. Cannot. We will cross the O, but this time, if you remember what I said before, the N in can says, I don't like another N. I'd like to be alone. So, when we have can and not together, we cross the N and O. Add apostrophe to be can't. They are. Playing is not underlined, so pay attention. It will be they are. They plus are. We will cross from the second word, so we will cross the A, add apostrophe, put them together to be there. Yes. Page 14, Comprehension, read and answer. When you want to answer such questions, you need to read the whole text. After that, understand it. Underline the important notes or the important sentences or the important words that you have in your passage, okay? Number 10, read and answer. One day, Charleston came home from school to find a pretty little kitten. It was so pretty because it had many colors. His kitten was white and black. He named his kitten Kitty. Charleston learned how to take care of his kitten. He made sure it had good food and fresh water every day. His mom bought fresh food for Kitty. Charleston kept Kitty clean. Charleston liked playing with Kitty. Small cats enjoy playing with simple toys. So, Charleston gave Kitty a paper bag, some string to make his kitten happy. So, to make his kitten what? Happy. Write true or false. Charleston came home from school to find a pretty little dog. Did you hear dog in the passage? No, because if you go up, you will find that one day Charleston came home to find a pretty little kitten. So, it's not correct. It's false. Number 2. Charleston learned how to take care of his kitten. Search in the passage. Yes, you'll find that Charleston learned how to take care of his kitten. It's true. 3. Charleston liked playing with his cat. We will find this liked playing with his kitty, and kitten is a cat. It's true. 4. Small cats enjoy eating simple toys. Oh, they like eating toys? Let's go and search. enjoy playing with, not eating. It's false. Page 15. I hope you read this passage alone. Underline what is important. Try to answer the questions first by yourselves. Then listen to my answers. Question 11. Read and answer. On Saturday morning, Tom and Holly arrived at the park to build a birdhouse. They had never built anything before. Mrs. Washington prepared everything for them. She had already cut the small pieces of wood that would make the sides, floor, and roof of the birdhouse. Before the kids glued the pieces of the birdhouse together, they learned that the softest side was used to face the outside, and the hard side made the inside walls of the birdhouse. Next, the kids used the wood glue to put the pieces of wood together. The wood glue was different from the glue for paper they used at school. They had a little snack while the glue dried. Then they painted their houses. Finally, they were happy. So they went where? To the park to build a birdhouse. For the first time they will build something. Mrs. Washington was there and she prepared many things for them. This is what we understand in general from this passage. Look at the questions. Number 1. When did Tom and Holly arrive at the park? Yes, they arrived on Saturday morning, and don't forget we have did and arrive, mix them together to give you arrived, the past simple form. The answer of number 1, they arrived on Saturday morning, and Saturday is a capital letter. Pay attention, it's a proper noun. Number 2, did Tom and Holly build a house before? They had never built anything, so the answer will be no, they didn't. Good. Don't forget we have a comma after no. 3. What did the kids use to put the pieces of wood together? They used what? Let's go. Pieces of wood. Yes, they used. Yes, the answer will be they used wood glue. Find the opposite of the softest and the same in the text and write them. Go to the passage. Try to find the opposite of soft. Yes, opposite of soft is what? Hard. Yes, it's here. We find it. So you will write the hard, but because it's the softest, you will add between brackets AST. The opposite of the softest is what? The hardest. The same. They are equal. Let's go to the passage. What is the opposite of the same? We know it. It's different. Yes, very good. It's here. So the answer is the hard between brackets AST, the hardest, and different. I hope you understand everything. If you have anything you don't understand, contact or tell me or send me a message.